Tentacle, and today I'm going to show you some inventions that have just been sitting here in my lab because I have already made these. This one here is a cute koala. It's a rainbow koala, and she can hang, and then these pipe cleaners you can use to like twist them onto your arm or your leg so she hangs around with you. And another cool feature, she can carry stuff in her pouch right there. And I'm going to tell you how you can make it. First, you'll need a fabric marker and you draw out the outline. Then you will need to cut it out with fabric scissors. Then once you have that, you're going to take some pipe cleaners and so you see right there, that's where I sewed it. That's where you're going to put the pipe cleaners, and you might want to do the pouch first because that's how I attach the pipe cleaners. Now, here is my bald eagle telescope. So, I made it of a toothpick, some fabric, some crayons, some stickers, some paper, some toilet paper tubes. So first you roll up a piece of paper, throw it into a cylinder, then you cut out a head shape, draw some eyes. I added some fabric right there on the head. Then you toothpicks the beak. I added some fabric for the wings too. And then these toilet paper rolls are its legs. So you go like that, and look good. I feed you. Then if you're clever enough to figure this out, the binoculars can the legs can transform into binoculars. And last but not least, my chameleon. I made him out of 3 pieces of paper, 3 colored pieces, green, yellow, and red. And he also has like a prehensile tail. See? So he can hang on to you with just one tail. And I taped them together because I didn't have paper clips at the moment. Now watch this. Now you see him. Now you don't. Now you can spot the chameleon. I bet a lot of you guessed it right here. So yeah, it can help them with camouflage. Let's camouflage onto me. So yeah. That's how the chameleon, bald eagle telescope, and koala, I haven't really came up with a name for it, the koala huggy works.